Welcome to Events That Shaped the World, where we examine the moments that changed history. In our second series, The Revolution That Changed Everything, we unpack what happened, why it happened, and how it reshaped politics, economies, and everyday life across the globe. Our seventh episode in this series is 1760-1840 Industrial Revolution. The world changed faster than it had in centuries. Machines replaced hand tools, factories rose over cities, and steam power transformed how people worked, traveled, and lived. But behind the progress were overcrowded streets, dangerous factories, and workers, including children, paying the price for a new age. This was the Industrial Revolution, the moment the modern world was born.
The Industrial Revolution was one of the most transformative periods in human history, fundamentally changing the way people lived, worked, and produced goods. Beginning in Great Britain during the mid-18th century, it marked the transition from traditional handcrafting and agricultural economies to mechanized manufacturing powered by machines. This revolution reshaped societies, accelerated technological innovation, fueled urbanization, and laid the foundation for the modern industrial world. Before the Industrial Revolution, most people lived in rural villages and relied on farming for their livelihood. Everyday products such as clothing, tools, furniture, and household items were made by skilled craftsmen working by hand or within small family workshops. Production was slow, labor-intensive, and limited by human or animal power. Transportation was equally slow, with goods moving mainly by horses, wagons, or sailing ships, making long-distance trade expensive and inefficient. Several factors allowed Britain to become the birthplace of industrialization. The country possessed abundant coal and iron ore, two essential resources for manufacturing and machinery. Britain also had a stable political system, a growing banking network that financed innovation, expanding overseas colonies that supplied raw materials, and a strong merchant class eager to invest in new industries. Improvements in agriculture had increased food production, allowing more workers to leave farms and seek employment in factories. One of the earliest breakthroughs occurred in the textile industry. Cloth production had traditionally been performed by hand inside homes, but inventors developed machines that dramatically increased efficiency. In 1764, James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny, enabling a single worker to spin multiple threads simultaneously. Soon afterward, Richard Arkwright introduced the water frame, which used water power to produce stronger yarn on a much larger scale. Samuel Crompton combined the advantages of both inventions with the spinning mule, producing finer and stronger thread suitable for high-quality textiles. Edmund Cartwright later developed the power loom, mechanizing the weaving process and transforming textile manufacturing into a factory-based industry. Perhaps the most revolutionary invention was the improved steam engine, developed by Scottish engineer James Watt during the 1770s. Earlier steam engines already existed, but were inefficient. Watt's improvements made steam power far more reliable and economical, allowing factories to operate almost anywhere rather than depending on rivers for water power. Steam engines soon powered textile mills, mining operations, ironworks, and countless other industries, becoming the driving force behind industrial expansion. The iron industry also experienced remarkable growth. Abraham Darby had earlier pioneered the use of coke instead of charcoal for smelting iron, greatly increasing production while reducing dependence on timber. Henry Cort later introduced improved refining techniques that produced stronger, higher-quality iron. These innovations supplied the material needed for machines, bridges, railways, steam engines, and factory construction, creating a cycle of continuous industrial growth. Coal became the lifeblood of the Industrial Revolution. Mines expanded rapidly to meet the enormous demand for fuel. Thousands of miners worked in dangerous underground conditions, where explosions, flooding, collapsing tunnels, and poor ventilation claimed many lives. Despite these risks, coal-powered factories, heated homes, fueled steam engines, and supported nearly every major industry of the period. Factories replaced traditional cottage industries, bringing workers together under one roof, where machines could operate continuously. Production increased dramatically, lowering the cost of manufactured goods and making products more widely available than ever before. However, factory life introduced harsh working conditions. Employees often worked 12 to 16 hours a day, 6 days a week, for relatively low wages. Strict discipline, noisy machinery, poor ventilation, and frequent accidents made factory work physically demanding and sometimes dangerous. Transportation underwent a revolution of its own. Engineers developed canals that allowed heavy goods to be transported more efficiently across Britain. Soon afterward, railways transformed travel and commerce. In 1825, George Stephenson's steam locomotive helped launch the world's first public railway to use steam-powered trains. Railroads dramatically reduced travel times, lowered transportation costs, connected distant cities, and accelerated industrial expansion across Europe and North America. Steam-powered ships similarly transformed international trade by reducing dependence on wind and making overseas transportation faster and more predictable. The Industrial Revolution also stimulated remarkable advances in science and engineering. Machine tools became increasingly precise, enabling manufacturers to produce interchangeable parts for machinery and equipment. Engineers continuously improved production methods, while inventors developed new technologies that expanded manufacturing into industries such as chemicals, steel, printing, and agriculture. Innovation became a permanent feature of industrial society. Economic systems evolved alongside technological progress. Industrial capitalism expanded rapidly as entrepreneurs established factories, invested in machinery, and competed to improve production. Wealth increased for many industrialists and merchants, but economic inequality also widened. The contrast between prosperous factory owners and struggling workers contributed to growing calls for labor rights, fair wages, and political reform. Trade unions gradually emerged to represent workers and negotiate improved conditions, while governments introduced legislation regulating factory safety and working hours. Industrialization spread beyond Britain during the early 19th century. Belgium became the first European nation to industrialize after Britain, followed by France, Germany, and later the United States. Each country adapted industrial technology to its own economy, creating powerful manufacturing centers that transformed global commerce and strengthened national economies. Industrial competition also encouraged imperial expansion, as European powers sought new markets and reliable sources of raw materials around the world. The Industrial Revolution permanently changed everyday life. Mass production made clothing, tools, furniture, and household goods more affordable. Advances in transportation connected distant regions, while improved communication and expanding industries created new professions and opportunities. Despite its many achievements, industrialization came with significant environmental consequences. Coal-fired factories filled cities with smoke, polluted rivers with industrial waste, and consumed vast natural resources. These environmental impacts marked the beginning of many challenges that continue into the modern era. The Industrial Revolution remains one of history's greatest turning points. It transformed agriculture into industry, villages into cities, manual labor into mechanized production, and local economies into global markets. Its innovations reshaped technology, transportation, manufacturing, science, and society, laying the foundation for the modern world. Nearly every aspect of contemporary life, from factories and railways to electricity, automation, and global trade, can trace its origins to the extraordinary changes that began during the Industrial Revolution.
The Industrial Revolution created wealth, technology, cities, and industries that still shape our lives today. But it also widened inequality, transformed families, and showed the human cost of progress. From steam engines to smartphones, the world we live in began in those noisy factories of the 18th and 19th centuries. The Industrial Revolution did not just change how people worked, it changed how humanity lived forever. Like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode.